Hello, Playmo pals. Happy 2023 to you, and thanks for checking out our latest haul. Now, right before the holidays, I ordered a few things from Playmobil and on eBay, and they all arrived today, so this video will be showcasing them. Starting off with this little baggie for set 9835, I'm actually surprised we get this item in a bag and not the nicer typical product packaging that we're accustomed to seeing. That's okay because I won't feel half as bad for tearing this bag open to get to my figure. Speaking of which, we're taking a look at the Novelmore Captain. I already opened it, didn't think I'd make a video, but I enjoy making them, so I figured why not, and here we are. Anyway, the Novelmore Captain, like the other Novelmore figures, is adorned in blue and gold, highlighting the silver or gray armor of his knight's armor. He comes with a number of accessories to complete the look, including this helmet and its face shield, the regular shield. Sorry, if I can get this thing in focus. There you go. I expected him to have a little bit of facial hair, but evidently they decided to give him a cleaner cut look. Anyway, aside from the shield, we do have a flag with the pole, and then we have his sword here, which is a custom sword. A customary sword, a regular sword, I guess, that we have seen many times before with all the other Playmobil Knights. It hasn't changed much over the years, but on occasion we'll get something a little bit more dynamic and different from all the rest. Anyway, this figure looks good enough to army build with, but I have no intention to do that since I don't have any other Novelmore figures at this time, nor do I pay much mind to any of my medieval figures. But this one is rather nice looking, despite the simplicity of his overall appearance. Alright, now let's move on to package number 2. Also coming in a plastic baggie, here we have the City Life set number 70753, the Modern Asian Family, which consists of 4 figures including the mom, dad, sister, and baby girl. Coming up. Here's the baby girl. Oddly, she was given rounded eyes, perhaps to represent youth, but I would have used the same artistic style as the other characters for the eyes, just for consistency. But overall, she's still pretty cute. I do like her little color scheme here, and I do like the fact that they gave the figures a darker skin tone that kind of matches my skin tone, actually. And then we're going to put her to the side and get the bigger sister, dressed in vibrant yellow and orange with a panda pattern. Looks pretty cute and somewhat racially profiled, just due to the pandas, but I'm good with it, actually. It's quite alright. I mean, it's kind of a cultural thing anyway, so I don't think it's anything too bad. I'm sure there's somebody out there that would have a problem with it, but not me. Yeah, basic child figure. It's just got a more Asian association to her. And then we have the parents. Yeah, parents look really cool. And also what you would expect, at least from my experience, just because I'm half Asian, so yeah, I get it. I actually really like what this male Asian figure is wearing. It's very city life. It's very modern. It's not in the stereotypical garb. It's not a historical figure, which I typically get. I have the samurai warriors and the sushi chefs and stuff like that. But yeah, I like what he's wearing, and this reminds me a lot of what my mom would wear when I was younger. She had a lot of floral patterns, and she was a professional seamstress, so she often made a lot of her own clothes, and it always had a floral pattern to it. But now that she's retired and older and a lot more chill, she's less formal. But yeah, this is a kind of somewhat of a nice reminder of all that. But yeah, floral pattern can't ever go wrong, and she always made it look good. So, but yeah, let's move on to the final package here. Alright, for our final unbagging, it's almost a mystery since the mailer is in an all-white bag. Now these aren't anything new. In fact, if you've been a fan of the channel since the beginning, you know that I'm a huge fan of the U.S. Cavalry / Union troops. The first figures actually that I ever got came with a headquarters building and 7 of the original U.S. troops in blue. We begin with a Winchester rifle, which for these figures I'm not a fan of. I like the old rifles the Klickys can hold by the trigger peg. Anyway, I have been on a mission to collect 100 of the US troops, and today we are adding 3 more to our little army. I appreciate that the previous owner was able to keep the yellow sleeve cuffs, but once more we are missing some hats, so I'll have to fix that as soon as possible. So aside from the trio of Western soldiers, we got a new treasure chest, and upon opening it we find 2 revolver pistols. How in the world did I miss that? Also included is a wooden bucket. And then we have a gun rack, which is nice. The Winchester rifles do fit nicely into the slots for safekeeping. So there you have it, our newest collection of Klickys. Not sure how many troops I have in total right now. Maybe we'll take a look at them in a future video. The Asian family looks great and adds more cultural diversity to the collection, and the Novelmore Captain is just really cool, and I don't know, I might have to get some more of this line. But for now, that's all. Which of these is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. Thanks a lot for watching this mail call unbagging video, and if you haven't yet, give us a like and subscribe for more Playmobil content. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram. You can follow us at playmo.af. Until next time, my friends, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.